After successfully logging to the Datadog web page, users will be directed to initial landing page. This is the page. The primary task at this point is to initiate the installation of Datadog agent on the designated server, enabling it to transmit data to Datadog server. For this tutorial, we will focus on installing the Datadog agent on Ubuntu server. The installation instructions are readily available within Datadog official documentation. So go to integration, then select agent. Once we come to this page, we are going to install on Ubuntu server. So we are selecting the Ubuntu server. In this area, we can see the installation command available. At the same time, the API key is masked. Mask means different text are placed. So simply go and click the API key, select API key button. So we can select from existing API keys. In our case, I have only one key. Additionally, consider when we install, we need to talk about which server it have to feed. Even though it is software as a service, they have different installation for like kind of load balancing. So in our URL, we can see us5 datadog-hq.com. So we always have to navigate to this page and use. At the same time, the installation also should point which server to feed. This is based on which server you are logged in from the first login. Select the API key, then select this one, use API key. So key is transferred into the code. Just by copying, everything will be available. By hovering here, we can reveal the key. So I am showing it because my account is a trial account, we can see here. So I'm showing it, but don't show this or share it because others can feed data to this, as well as this key have a capacity to reveal the information as well. So this is simply an API key. Let's copy the code block, then go to the console. So this is our my Linux server I'm going to install. This is in AWS. So normally I already tried installation in other servers. It will take you have to install through sudo, otherwise it will fail without showing the error message properly here. So just go with sudo, then paste it, then simply run the command. They will download and install all, they will finish it. After that, we can go to our infrastructure list and see whether the server is listed. So go to this left hand menu, infrastructure list. This will list all the servers currently available, and once the installation finish, it will show that server also here. Of course, it will take little time to feed the data, as well as we need to run a command to check whether Datadog is running, or otherwise we have to do that. Simply the command is systemctl start Datadog agent. That's a command to go and check it. So if we know the host name, we can search. Normally, some real production deployment will have large quantity of server. So they allow to search it here. Mostly we search by the host name, or if we want to search by the group and all, we can search by that option as well. So in this our scenario, only few servers. So just we can just quickly pinpoint which server is working on it. So currently many servers we have it. We can see some servers have MySQL, some servers have JVM. It is in the later tutorial we will see how to set up this one. But currently we are going to see how to put the basic agent. So they show us how to start it also. So systemctl stop Datadog agent will allow to stop it. The start will allow you to start the agent. Maybe we need sudo, but I'm just running and seeing like this one. Yes, so they are asking the sudo. So I will go with sudo, then this one. So then only it will work as root. Now it will start to run. So it will take some time to feed the data here. After some time, we have to come and refresh and see, because this is not a live page. It is showing the last 2 hours. So it won't push. Rather, we have to refresh and see whether the server is listing. So this is done. While the time taking, I will show one place where the Datadog is actually going. So we will go to sudo su. So in Ubuntu server, normally it is automatically it is installed under etc folder. So ls-lh etc, then Datadog agent. This is a place it goes. So quickly we'll see the hierarchy also, what is inside there and what we have to do. So they put all the file in this area. Then what they do, the config D will have all the subset of config, all the modules related config. Checks will have all the modules, even custom checks can be placed here. This is the one main config file, Datadog YAML. So it is a YAML format. If you want, we can see that as well, how it will look like. So I will do a cat, then etc Datadog agent, then Datadog YAML. So the file, it's massive. So it look like this. In next set of subject, we will see to enable certain thing, we have to go and edit and enable here, like things will be mentioned like this. So definitely we will enable lock. While that time we will see, like most probably we will remove this line, uncomment it, and uncomment this, make it true. So log monitoring will be enabled. Like every module enablement we can do here, even some configuration, tagging, all can be done in this particular file. This is for overall. The dedicated ones are separately available, so that also we will see on that module. So now we'll come here and refresh and see whether the server is listed.